Hello everyone. So I realized when I went to do my latest video, I actually started to upload it onto my blog, that there was a big gap in sharing. So I thought I would rectify that, and I would shoot a little video of April through July, which you can watch that first, and then you can watch August through October. So anyway, April, wasn't it like 100 million years ago? It was April, in the middle of the pandemic. I don't even remember what were April's. I finished my big scarf project. This took well over a year. Crazy, but I'm now excited to wear it because it's cold now. Anyway, so note to self. Right, that was I give my permission to myself. I'm learning and I'm saying yes to. So those were the prompts. So that was an interesting time to be writing about those kinds of things. And then I just felt like I wanted to do a little more decorating. A little digital page from the Get to Work book. And then May. Some pictures around the yard. I was very excited about my scarf because I put it in there twice, but I left it, so it's fine. I had a fun Zoom with my Squammy girls. We're from all over the country, and actually one from Canada. So, yes. Oh, I know. May was the picture prompt. I'm like, why are there pictures and no writing? May was the photo prompt. So that was like what's going on around here for the photo prompt. So that was May. I love this quote. Found this is like a nice home for these like funky quotes and stuff I find. June. It's me and my sister meeting, and she's in Maine and I'm in Massachusetts. So we met in New Hampshire for lunch outside because still June, pandemic. Some extra pictures in progress. That's fun. And then what we're inviting in for the rest of the year. So, yeah, it's been really good. I've been doing these like mini layouts, so that's fun. And July was doing like a technique, and I know Allie does paint, and I've done paint before, but I just didn't feel like doing paint this time. So I did I experimented, and I don't know if you can really see it that well, with embossing, because I have embossing stuff and I don't really use it a lot. And this was from, I think, last year's kit, or maybe the year before. So I played around with embossing. That was my, you know, kind of crafty, try something project. And judging from the fact that there's very little, I obviously was not super into it. And then that brings us to August, which is in another video. So we're almost done. We've got 2 more months. 2 more months. Not November. November and December. And then we're done with 2020. I'm done with 2020. And we've got 2 months to go. Thanks for watching, guys. See y'all later.